inserting tabs into Google Docs. So here's my Google Doc, and I want to make one tab for week 1 assignments, which means everything is going to go on this one page here. So I'm going to go up here to Insert, go down to Tab, and now I'm going to do the same thing for tab 2. I have now a second tab, and this is going to be week 2 of assignments. Now it didn't really name the tabs. It says tab 1 and tab 2. So I'm going to change the name of this. I'm going to click on the 3 dots, and I'm going to go down to where it says Rename. Okay, Rename, and it's going to kind of put that name in there for me of week 1 assignments, and I'm going to do the same for week 2. So now I have week 1 assignments and week 2. I have a page for each one of those. I can go on and on and on and on. Now, what if I don't want that anymore? If I want to erase it, I click the 3 dots and I hit the delete button and they will go away. But there's another way we can add these tabs. So I'm going to go ahead and put week 1 assignments, and look at this little button right here. I'm just going to add 1 tab. I'm going to click the plus sign for a second tab, and I will rename this tab after I'm writing week 2 assignments. Okay. Click on the 3 dots and rename it. There we go. Awesome piece of cake. Gonna keep me very organized. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.